Travel meals and trips. Ideas for food trips and travel. After we know the basic rules that you must take into account in preparing meals, we will tell you some ideas for the meals that you can take with you. Pizza is characterized by that it is easy to prepare. In addition to being easy to cut and package, you can cut it into small square pieces instead of triangles so that you can put them in small boxes and take a smaller place, and you can also rely on the mini pizza, which is a small size, and as we said in the tips above, avoid that you put tomatoes on the pizza so that it is not cooked, and put reasonable amounts of other toppings such as pepper, olives and cheese. Dry and cold meat sandwiches. Sandwiches are one of the most popular and easiest meals that you can take on trips, and it is better that you use small or large fino bread. Cut it for two, so that you can put a larger amount in a small place, and as we said, stay away from foods that can spit quickly, so it is better to rely on dry and cured meat luncheon, chicken slices or grilled meat, cold meats. Cheese sandwiches. There are many types of cheese that you can take with you on trips, and it is preferable that you rely on salted cheeses because salt is a natural preservative, so avoid cottage cheese in sandwiches because it can spit out quickly because the amount of salt in it is small, but you can make sandwiches with cheddar cheese, Romy, Flamingo, Roquefort, and you can put olive slices with cheese, and it is better to stay away from fried cheese because of the oils. Canned food. There are many types of canned food that you can rely on trips and travel, such as tuna, beef, canned luncheon meat, mackerel fish. And these canned foods have a long shelf life, and for sure, this will make them suitable for travel, in addition to being easy to carry very safely because they are airtight, and therefore everything is available in them. Conditions of food suitable for travel. Stuffed pies. You can diversify and make pies stuffed with minced meat, sausage, mushrooms or cheese, which are very suitable for trips, and the best thing is that when you come to make it, you avoid using tomatoes as we said and reduce the fat as much as you can. When you come to take any kind of fruit, make sure that it is healthy and not flat and its peel is intact, and of course it is best to take hard fruits so that they do not mash on you, and if you want to take soft fruits, you must take all the necessary precautions and pack them very well. Nuts are one of the very nutritious foods that you can take with you on trips as snacks or snacks between meals. You can take cashews, hazelnuts, almonds, pistachios, and Sudanese. It is better to take the natural sugar-free juices that are made at home and put them in sealed jars. You can make orange, raspberry, mango, pineapple, lemon juice, and if there is no time to make juices at home, you can rely on the canned, but make sure that the expiry date on it is still fresh.